So here we have this Black & Decker 8-slice extra wide toaster oven. It came packaged in this generic cardboard box with a second branded cardboard box inside. Then opening that up, there's foam on each end. Then it's wrapped in a plastic bag and there's a couple pieces of tape and cardboard to protect it during shipping. The toaster oven's made of stainless steel. It has this nice black finish on it. It is a short 2-foot cord, standard 3-prong plug. There's a vent on the side, then some more vents on the back. The bottom has plastic feet and then rubber non-slip pads. Then taking a look at the front of the oven, there's an easily removable crumb tray on the bottom. A nice big handle to open up the glass door, which just uses a spring to keep it shut. Then on the inside, there's this baking pan or secondary crumb tray. And then this baking rack that it only comes with one of, but there are 2 slots to slide it into. Then on the right side is the control panel. It has an indicator light that turns on when this thing is on, a timer knob that you can set all the way up to 60 minutes. Once you set it, it makes a ticking sound, and then when it runs out of time, it'll make a ding. You can also turn this knob to the left to just have it constantly on. Then this bottom knob is a bit of a faster timer. It has preset toast settings, and this is really helpful for getting consistently toasted pieces of toast. It also makes a ticking noise when it counts down and dings when it gets to 0. Also, here's some quick measurements for the inside. It's 12 inches deep, 16 inches wide, 5.5 inches tall on the bottom rack, and 2 inches tall on the top rack. Alright, so let me go put this in place and then I'll test it out. I'm going to be toasting this pan of bread here. I put them on the pan, but if you don't want to have to flip them, just put it on the rack itself. Then I turn the knob all the way to the toast setting and use the bottom knob to set the timer. And on the toast setting, it's really not that loud. You can basically only hear the ticking sound. And the toast is done. I probably left it in there a little bit too long. I think they were in there for about 8 minutes. Nice and crispy. That toasted them pretty well. Definitely got to flip them though, or just put them on the rack. Also, here's what it sounds like when it's just on a regular temperature mode and not the toast mode. It definitely is a little bit louder. I'd say it's comparable to a microwave. So yeah, I think it's a really nice extra wide toaster oven. I've used this less than 10 times now, and I honestly don't mind the ticking noise. It's kind of retro and sounds cool, but it's not for everyone. And it really should have came with a second rack. I'm not sure why it didn't, but apart from that, as long as you don't mind the ticking noise, then I think this is a great extra wide toaster oven.